be taking off shortly. Please direct your attention to our rear cards that demonstrate the safety information for this aircraft. All electronic devices should be set to airplane mode. At the time headsets connected to a portable electronic device must be removed. Please note that the exit signs on this aircraft are identified by green symbol. The arrows indicate the direction to the exit. If you need additional information, please refer to the safety features card located in your seat pocket. Seatbelt and no smoking signs are located throughout the aircraft. Please obey them at all times. Please wear your seatbelt while seated. Fasten your seatbelt and adjust it around your hips. To release the seatbelt, lift the upper portion and pull apart. In the unlikely event of evacuation, lights at floor level will guide you to the exits. On this aircraft, exits are located as follows. There are 4 exits located on each side of the aircraft. Take a moment to note the one nearest you. To ensure a safe evacuation of all passengers should the need arise, you are required to leave all personal belongings behind. This card in your seat pocket outlines the safety features of this aircraft. Please take a moment to review it. And if required, oxygen masks will deploy from the panel above you. Stay seated and pull the mask towards you. Adjust the strap to hold the mask